You followed every rule. You passed the evaluation. You were profitable and you requested a payout. And then crickets. The firm just disappears. This isn't hypothetical. For thousands of traders, this was their reality. In this video, what happens when prop firms go under, using one of the biggest case studies in the industry and the checklist you need so it never happens to you. One of the biggest stories in the prop firm world kicked off in August 2023. The CFTC filed an enforcement action against MyForexFunds, one of the largest firms in the world. A US court froze the company's assets and put it into receivership overnight. The CFTC alleged the firm had fraudulently taken over $310 million in fees from more than 135,000 customers, claiming the firm wasn't a true prop firm at all, but ran a simulated environment and acted as the counterparty to nearly every trade, with profits coming from traders' losses and fees rather than actual trading. But then the case took a shocking turn. In May 2025, a US federal court dismissed the CFTC's lawsuits entirely, not because the fraud allegations were disproven, but due to what the court called misleading statements and misconduct by the CFTC itself. MyForexFunds called it a complete vindication. The court never actually ruled on whether the original claims were true or false. The whole saga exposed a pattern every trader needs to understand, because this wasn't an isolated case. Between 2024 and 2025, the industry went through a real crisis, with estimates suggesting 80 to 100 prop firms shut down in that stretch alone. The pattern: heavy reliance on challenge fees, since a large majority of traders fail their evaluations, funding most of the firm's revenue. If new sign-ups dry up, there's not enough cash to pay the few profitable traders. Watch for sudden retroactive rule changes made after you've already paid and passed. And watch for platform dependency. When MetaQuotes began revoking licenses for firms serving US clients in early 2024, it triggered a wave of shutdowns, forcing firms to pause operations with payouts still owed. So, here's your 4-step vetting checklist. 1. Verify the track record. How long has this firm operated and paid consistently? 2. Demand payout proof. Search the firm's name plus payouts on Reddit and Discord and see what real traders say. 3. Scrutinize the rules before you pay, especially the drawdown type, and avoid firms known for changing rules after the fact. 4. And most important, never pay a challenge fee with money you can't afford to lose. Treat it as a business expense for an opportunity, not a guaranteed investment. The prop firm industry offers real opportunity, but the responsibility to vet a firm is on you. Focus on track record, payout proof, clear rules, and protecting your own capital first.